So guys, this is example 3. F of x equals negative square root of x minus 4 plus 9. Okay, so again, identify your a, h, and k. Since there's a negative in front of the radical, students, the negative 1 is going to be your a, your h is going to be 4, and your k is 9. Now, first things first, I want you guys to write the parent equation. Remember, an equation always needs to start out with the y equals f of x. Go ahead and fill that in. Then also I want you to give me 5x value and 5y value for the parent, okay? Okay, now hopefully you guys wrote square root of x and you guys picked 0, 1, 4, 9, and 16. So that will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now, since we have a negative a, that's going to get multiplied to your y. Your h, students, is going to be added to your x, and your y is going to be added to your k value, or k value is added to the y. So your transformation, we are going to take all of your parents, okay, all of the parents' value, and you're going to change that by adding 4. Once you're done with that, take all of your parent y and multiply by negative 1 and add 9. So go ahead and do that. Hopefully you guys have what I have. As you can see, guys, we have like a big, the two x values for the transformation table. We have 13 and 20, and we might not have enough grids, and that's okay. Just go off the grid. Don't be scared, okay? So I'm gonna plot those. 4, 9 is your very first dot as soon as my pen decides to work here. Come on, pen. Okay, so I guess I'll just stick with green. I was going to change red. All right, 4, 2, 4, up 9 is your first dot. Then 5, 8, 2, 4, 5, 8. If we have a negative a, so we know there's going to be a reflection, okay? Then we have 8, guys. We're going to go up 7. We have 13, so I'm going to go off the grid here. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go up 6, so 2, 4, 5, 6. Now 20, I'm just going to be a little bit to the right, and then I'm going to go 5 units. 2, 4, 5. So somewhere over here, I'm just going to go 5 units, okay? So it's going to be going to the right, because remember, it was a reflection, so now I'm upside down, just like this. So your transformations are, first one is going to say we have a reflection over the x-axis, or we can write it as a vertical reflection. Okay, your h value, guys, is positive 4, and so is your k value. So they're gonna go right 4 and up 9. So right 4 units, and then we got up 9 units. Those are your transformations. Now let's fill out some of the stuff here. Your h and k, that's super nice, is 4, 9. We will have an x-intercept because it will eventually, if this keeps on going, it's going to eventually hit the x-axis. So we know it's going to go down here somewhere. We have to find that manually. Since this curve is fully to the right, it's not touching the y-axis, so there's no y-intercept. Your domain is going to be x is bigger than or equal to 4, or we are going to write 4, infinity. The range, as you can see, guys, is going to go downward. Okay, so this arrow is going to go down and down and down. So we know y has to be less than or equal to 9. Or we are going to write negative infinity to 9 and bracket. It is not an increasing interval. It is now a decreasing interval from bracket negative. I'm sorry, not negative. I'm sorry, the x value is 4 to infinity. Rate of change, we are going to write varies. It is a 1-to-1. We do not have a minimum. We do have a maximum, and the y value of that is 9. So that's your k value in essence. So the only thing we have to find manually is going to be your x-intercept. Again, guys, x-intercept, y has to be 0, okay? So take 0 equals negative, and then we're going to say x minus 4 plus 9. Step number 1, subtract 9 from both sides. So that's going to say negative 9 equals negative in the front, x minus 4. Step number 2, we have to divide both sides by negative 1 to get rid of that negative radical in the front. Remember, your job is to isolate the radical always. So now we end up having a negative 9 divided by negative 1 is a positive 9 equals square root x minus 4. Now square both sides. Okay, so 9 squared is going to be 81. So 81 equals x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, x equal 85. So we know it's going to hit the x-axis 85 units to the right. But oops, but in this case, we don't have enough tick marks to see where that will be, okay?